Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Famke Janssen, the Dutch actress. The correct Dutch pronunciation is Famke Janssen. As you can hear, I do not pronounce the N at the end. If you want, you can, and it will sound like this. Famke Janssen. There is a slight emphasis on the first syllable of the first name and also on the first syllable of the last name. Famke Janssen. Famke Janssen. Famke Janssen. Or Famke Janssen. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!